हाय। ये न्यूज़ सही है। टेस्ला इंडिया में आ रहा है। फाइनली फाइनली फाइनली। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मल्टीपल मीडिया हाउसेस, टेस्ला मैनेजमेंट महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट और कर्नाटका गवर्नमेंट के साथ टॉक्स में है एंड टू एक्वायर द लैंड।
You are watching Scientific Infographics. Let science do the talking.
टेस्ला इंडिया में मॉडल एस, मॉडल 3, मॉडल एक्स एंड मॉडल वाई के साथ आ सकता है। वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिए और जस्ट एंजॉय द स्पेसिफिकेशन एंड डिज़ाइन ऑफ टेस्ला व्हीकल्स। मॉडल एस के स्पेसिफिकेशंस 2.3 सेकेंड्स में 0 to 100 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर, टोटल रेंज ऑफ 650 किलोमीटर्स। अमेजिंग, इजंट इट? Model 3, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.1 second and a range of 570 kilometers. Wow. Hoi hoi hoi. Just look at this car. Isn't it beautiful? टेस्ला व्हीकल्स के इन जनरल इंटीरियर आप देख ही रहे हैं, काफ़ी मिनिमलिस्टिक है, बट नो डाउट इट्स ब्यूटीफुल। टेस्ला मॉडल एक्स, a 7-seater SUV with Falcon doors. Amazing. Total range 600 kilometers. Yes, correct. 600 kilometer in single.
So one of the main inventions of the Model X is something we call the Falcon Wing doors.
Model Y, total range in a single charge is 525 किलोमीटर्स और 68 क्यूबिक फीट का इसका टोटल बूट स्पेस है। इनफैक्ट इसके आगे और पीछे, टेस्ला के सभी गाड़ियों में आगे और पीछे जगह होती है। टेस्ला की बात करें और ऑटो पायलट की बात ना करें, it's an
Combining a
amazing
newly
feature.
streamlined interface
Just
with the enhanced
look
control
at this
and
promo.
versatility of your daily commute.
Amazing.
Over-the-air updates continually improve and add new features to Autopilot. Autopilot removes the stress from your commute. Designed for highway use, Autopilot assists you with the routines of daily driving, whether you're cruising or crawling. To the left and right of the speedometer, find the icons for traffic-aware cruise control and auto steer. These appear as gray when available and blue when active. Use the cruise stalk to engage traffic-aware cruise control. Pull it toward you once to engage Smart Speed and twice to activate auto steer as well. Keeping your hands on the wheel, ease back as traffic-aware cruise control maintains your cruising speed, dynamically adjusting in response to other vehicles. Auto steer will keep to the curve of the road, sensing both the lane boundaries and the surrounding traffic. If you wish to change lanes, check for space and signal as usual. This triggers auto lane change, which will merge you safely into the desired lane. To disengage autopilot, push the button on the outside of the cruise stalk, push the stalk forward, or press the brake. Auto steer can be deactivated without affecting traffic-aware cruise control by turning the wheel a few degrees. Please remember that these features are meant only for highway use. Keep your hands on the wheel at all times and stay alert. Auto Park completes a suite of autopilot features. As you drive past an open spot, pull about one car length ahead and come to a complete stop. Model S will scan the space and display a P on your instrument cluster. Signal and shift to reverse. Press Start and Auto Park will initiate, guiding you perfectly into position. Autopilot changes the way you relate to your drive. It expands your awareness of Model S and its surroundings, enhances your ability to respond, and gives you more comfort and energy during and after your drive.
Then the another feature is auto summon. You can summon in and out your car from garage or a parking. Mind blowing. Or finally, an multi-purpose Tesla app. You can almost control each and every functionality of this machine from the mobile app. Thanks for watching. You can check out other videos. Please subscribe this channel. एंड अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो डेफिनेटली एक लाइक छोड़ के जाइएगा. थैंक यू.